It is June 6th, 2019. This is my second time approaching the nest. The first time I approached the male bird, who's flying towards me right now, tried to create a diversion. He came over to me and made a whole bunch of noise and then ran off in that direction to try to bait me away from the nest. And then when I went over to the nest, all of the fledglings came flying out from under the bus, which is probably not a good thing. I wish I had not frightened them, because they probably belong in the nest, not sitting around on the ground. There's one fledgling in the grass over there, and then there's this guy. Hello, little bird. Do you belong back in your nest? Oh! Okay, I better get out of here before I create more trouble. At least he's inclined to fly towards his nest. That's a good thing. Let's just see what's going on over here. I don't know if anybody's left. Nope. 100% vacancy. Alright, well, so I've seen 2 fledglings. I hope the rest are okay. I'm sorry, I'm leaving. Oh, here's another fledgling. Hello, little bird. You look too small to be out of your nest. I think he agrees. Okay, so I put the runt of the litter back in the nest. He seemed pretty weak. Much smaller than the other ones that I saw. Go feed your runt. Good bird. You're flying pretty well. What about the other one? So we know where 3 are, maybe. One was over here. Here it is. I better get out of here. They're going to wind up flying towards the interstate. See you later, bird.